bestinlinemerch.com. So you're planning your first trip to Angkor Wat in 2024? That's incredible! Let me tell you, exploring this magnificent temple complex is like stepping into a different world. And I'm here to share some essential tips and tricks to make the most of your experience. First things first, let's talk about the essentials you'll want to pack. Trust me, you don't want to be caught unprepared in the Cambodian heat. You'll need a reliable backpack, something that's both lightweight and spacious enough to carry your daily necessities. A good water bottle is a must. Hydration is key when you're wandering around in the sun, especially with all the walking you'll be doing. I recommend investing in a reusable one that keeps your water cool. You'll also want to bring along some sunscreen. The sun can be relentless, and you'll want to protect your skin while you marvel at the intricate carvings and stunning architecture. Now let's talk about footwear. This is not the place for flip-flops, my friends. You'll be doing a lot of walking, sometimes on uneven terrain. So a pair of comfortable, sturdy shoes is essential. I'd suggest lightweight hiking sandals or good sneakers. Trust me, your feet will thank you after a long day of exploration. When it comes to timing your visit, try to get there early in the morning. The sunrise at Angkor Wat is legendary, and it's a sight you don't want to miss. Plus, arriving early means fewer crowds, which is a huge bonus when you're trying to capture that perfect Instagram shot. You'll want to soak in the serenity of the temple before the day gets busy. As you explore, don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the details. The bas reliefs and sculptures are absolutely breathtaking, each telling a story from ancient times. It's easy to get caught up in the grandeur of the temples, but taking the time to look closely will reward you with a deeper understanding of the culture and history of the Khmer Empire. Now, let's talk about the ticket situation. You can purchase a 1-day, 3-day, or even a week-long pass. If you're really keen on exploring the entire area, I'd recommend the 3-day pass. It gives you the flexibility to take your time and not rush through the temples. Plus, you can revisit your favorite spots. Trust me, there's so much to see that one day just won't cut it. While you're there, consider hiring a local guide. Not only will they enrich your experience with fascinating stories and insights, but you'll also be supporting the local economy. Guides can help you navigate the vast complex and ensure you don't miss any hidden gems. They often have unique perspectives and can answer all your burning questions about the history and significance of the temples. Speaking of hidden gems, don't just stick to Angkor Wat. There are so many other temples in the area, like the Prom, where nature intertwines with ancient architecture, or Bayonne, famous for its smiling stone faces. Each temple has its own unique charm, and exploring them will give you a fuller picture of the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Finally, as you wander through these ancient ruins, take a moment to reflect. Angkor Wat isn't just a tourist destination. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that holds immense cultural and historical significance. The energy of the place is palpable, and it's easy to feel connected to the past. So take a deep breath, soak it all in, and appreciate the journey you're on. So there you have it. With the right preparation, a sense of adventure, and an open heart, your trip to Angkor Wat will be nothing short of magical. Pack those essentials, get ready to explore, and enjoy every moment of this unforgettable experience. Like and subscribe.